Ladies, this video is on how to do word problems. So these are linear situations and you have to write the equation. So for example, Braden gets a new candle, he lights it, and he lets it burn all the way down to nothing. It burned at a rate of 0.75 inches per hour. Okay, rate is your keyword, slope. My slope is going to be 0.75 inches per hour. Now, is the candle increasing or is it decreasing? Well, it's burning down from an initial length. So this slope, I believe, is going to be negative. So what is it being subtracted from? Well, the length of the candle. Its initial length was 6 inches. 6 inches is the initial length. When we hear initial, we should think y-intercept. So this seems to me that if I did it in y equals mx plus b, it would be y equals negative 0.75x plus 6. But we're not using y and x, we want L and T. So the length of the candle is negative 0.57 T plus 6. So L equals negative 0.75 T plus 6 is going to be my answer. You don't have to solve for anything, it's just write the equation with the information given. Okay, let's try another one. Oh, great. Colton gets a box of chocolates. Every night, Colton eats some chocolates. There were initially 30 chocolates in the box. Okay, initial, that's your y-intercept, 30. And Colton ate 2 chocolates per night. Sounds like a rate. Negative 2 chocolates per night is going to be my slope. Write an equation for C in terms of T. Okay, so if I start with 30 chocolates, and every night I subtract 2, then it's going to be 30 minus 2T, where T is the number of days. Or you could have written negative 2T plus 30, either way. Okay, and let's just do one more for good measure. Oh, that's another chocolate one. More chocolates. My goodness. Okay. Hudson bought a plant and planted it in a pot near a window in his house. Initial height of the plant was 8 inches. Okay, so we're talking about the height of a plant. Height, initial, 8, and it grows at a rate of 3 inches per month, plus 3T. Okay, I think you're getting the hang of it. 8 plus 3T. Because 3 is my rate, 8 is my y-intercept. Okay, good luck, ladies.